In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Gemini AI on PC. By the end, you'll have Gemini set up like a desktop app so you can open it quickly, keep it focused in its own window, and get to your AI workspace without extra clicks. First, open your Gemini account. On your PC, launch your preferred desktop browser and head to the Gemini website. Sign into your account so you're on the main Gemini interface where you can chat and create. Give the page a moment to fully load. This helps ensure the next option appears exactly where we expect it. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. This opens the browser's main menu. Make sure the Gemini tab is active when you do this because the menu adapts to the page you're on. In the menu, look for the section labeled Save and Share. Go ahead and click it. Inside that section, you'll see an option called Install. Depending on your browser version, it might read Install App or Install Gemini, but the idea is the same. Select Install. Now simply follow the prompts on your screen. A small confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install. Click Install to continue. You might see optional checkboxes like creating a desktop shortcut or allowing the app to open in its own window. Choose what works best for you, then confirm. In just a moment, Gemini will open in a clean, standalone window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, giving it a true app-like feel. From here on out, it's on your PC and easy to access. You can launch it like any other program, typically from your Start menu or from any shortcut you chose to create during installation. The experience mirrors the website but stays neatly contained, which is great for focus and quick access throughout your day. If you don't see the install option, try a quick refresh of the Gemini page, make sure you're signed into your account, and confirm you're on the main Gemini screen rather than a secondary settings page. Also, this feature appears in modern desktop browsers that support installing sites as apps, so using an up-to-date browser helps. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click the three dots, go to Save and Share, choose Install, and follow the on-screen prompts. In a few clicks, you'll have Google Gemini AI ready to launch on your PC whenever you need it.